target value analysis and optimization. Normally, the variables change the result in a calculable way, but if the constraints are very complex, the desired result must be determined through testing. The optimization command can be used to find the result using automated tests. And with that, welcome to Tips and Tricks on LearnNX. In this example, the question is, how high does this area fill with 1 liter of content? By the way, the part is available on LearnNX.com. Create a datum plane to the bottom surface. This controls the fill height. The height parameter is given a starting value of 20 mm. The inner volume is then created. I showed you the details in the last tips and tricks section. Now, trim the inner volume with the datum plane. The volume can now be changed using the height parameter. This volume is analyzed with the measure command. Pay attention to the associative setting. As the number of bodies could change, the objects should be selected with the feature body option. Here, you can now deselect everything except the volume. You will find the new parameter under Tools, Expressions. Now the variable height is to be changed automatically until the measurement corresponds to a target value. Under Menu, Analysis, Optimization and Sensitivity, start the command Optimization. Enter a study name. Under Objectives, select the optimization type, Target Value. Under Variables, select the expression Height. Enter realistic values under lower level and upper level.
What do you mean by realistic values?
Well, for the optimization to be successful, for example, the upper level should not be higher than the internal volume. Under Objectives, select the expression of the measurement. The target volume of 1 million cubic millimeters is now entered in the spreadsheet. With these settings, a maximum of 20 attempts are made in a maximum of 30 minutes. And this value, multiplied by the target value, indicates the maximum tolerance. Activate this option to observe the changes during the tests and the lower one to see the evaluation as a graph in Excel. And Run Optimization starts the analysis. In Excel, you can see now the tested values, and the graphical evaluation shows the approximation to the target value. Is it a good tip? Then click on Like and subscribe to LearnNX to receive even more learning modules. And write in the comments if you would like to suggest a topic.